going to let Jenny Smith from Patient Zebra and Practice News and CEO Wayne Lavery take it away here in a minute. Yes?
You use them and do I use
Well, I was just going to say something. Yes. So if you want to know if your marketing is letting you down, if you're wasting money on your marketing, you can JFO with this. And I really appreciate my brother sitting in the front row. It's not his favorite place to sit. But I would not describe him as a high level of compliment giver outer, right? Maybe like 3 or 4 a year, okay, maybe. So when he did the demo with Patient News and Practice Zebra, he said, this is really cool. I'm glad we're using it. They'll give everyone in this room a complimentary test drive of what it does. So I'm going to let them take it away and explain what Practice Zebra does. Thanks, guys.
Well, thank you, everyone. And your question about the drone, really, actually, Wayne was behind the drone idea, but really, the Practice Zebra tutorial and demonstration will give you that 40,000-foot view of your practice, what's happening right now, and where there's some opportunities, and where's there, some growth strategies you can build in. So that's, Wayne, you were the mastermind behind the drone, so make sure you grab some extra tickets and get in on that. And really, Wayne, I'll let you introduce us.
Yeah, let me just give you a 1-minute overview on Patient News. We've been around for 30 years, exclusively in dental. We've worked with about 7,500 practices. The company, it's broken up into 3 divisions. We have a digital division. We build websites, manage SEO paid campaigns. We have a print division that designs, prints, and mails direct mail, extremely effective direct mail surrounding practices. We have to remember that dentistry does happen at a local level. And then we have a software division, Practice Zebra. And we developed this product 4 years ago and launched it 3 years ago, and it was really out of necessity. And that was the fact that there wasn't a software out there that was connecting campaign attribution directly through the practice management system so that you could tie production in to every marketing channel and campaign. You would know that the Smith family, if they responded to this keyword campaign, consisted of a guarantor and 3 dependents, and this is the actual production attributed to that one marketing channel. In addition to that, we also have a couple of other interesting departments. We have a demographics department that works exclusively with our clients in analyzing that local area around your practice. We also have a call tracking and scoring division, and they listen to every phone call coming into the practice, helping your team to increase and convert those calls from an incoming call to an appointment. And again, all that is tied directly into the production. And now Jenny's going to give you a quick tutorial, and this is really just kind of a brief glimpse into what Zebra can do for your practice.
Yeah, thanks, Wayne. So we focus really heavily at Patient News on the whole patient journey, and so Practice Zebra will give you an initial look at the start of that. We will also offer everyone here a complimentary demographic analysis of the immediate radius around your practice. You'll have a good look at your competition, what types of patients you have as available prospects, and then we can double that data over into comparing, some information about your existing patients. So right now, who do you have? What demographic are the majority of your patients? But also, who are your top spending patients? Where do they live? And how do we find more patients like them with a strategic marketing campaign? Practice Zebra, once you're connected, you'll get access to the top 2 quadrants where we'll take a look at your active and new patient data from years past. We'll strategize through new and lost comparisons of patients. Some practices come to us and they're like, I need more new patients, I have to grow. But they don't realize they're losing more patients than necessary, and there's maybe some other gaps that should be focused on. So in our initial discussions, we always just like to really have that big view of what's happening now before we throw a marketing strategy at a wall and hope it's going to be successful. We also can segment dental membership plan patients, comparison to insured patients and uninsured patients. How are their average values? And should you be working a little bit harder to encourage patients to enroll in those in-house membership plans? And then, of course, there's marketing attribution, which is, again, the reason Practice Zebra was created. So we'll show you the actual return on investment from your marketing campaigns. I know, Travis, you're absolutely in love with this. But this is what really sets us apart. Your new patient tracking, your new patients by generation, and then, of course, the call tracking and scoring, which Wayne touched on. You can have the most miraculous marketing campaign alive, but if there's a reason that new patients aren't converting, you need to know what that is. Maybe it's as simple as just some training for the team members that are answering the phone. Maybe it's the message in the marketing is wrong, and we need to tweak things to make sure that it's appropriate to the target that we're looking to appeal to. So all of this information, there's the lost opportunity charts, all comes into a Zebra Byte report, which you'll all have access to with the free trial. And we'll send you this report with an overview and analysis while you're thinking about whether we're a right partner for your practice or not. So we're welcoming everyone. The demo is complimentary, and you'll get access to the dashboard for 30 days. And of course, if there's marketing that we can help you with, Patient News is offering some discounts to Dental Nacho members. So make sure that you let us know.
Once again, lucky to know me. Get a discount just for knowing me, right?
And we're so thankful for all of you. Everyone's been so fun here this weekend, and thank you, Paul,
You guys
for
have been
having
awesome.
us. It's been
A couple of
really
things I
great.
want to share is, these are the opportunities where you can do one thing to change your practice in a great way forever, or find out if your practice is doing great as is right now. And it's an agnostic tool what you can use with any type of system. I think it's great you've invented it. Dr. Travis is using it. Our team's test driving it. You can ask Kate about it. And I just think people love to do that MyFitnessPal stuff. People love to say, what's my body measurements? How can I get better? It's like, this is what you're doing for practices in a way that's friendly. So I really appreciate it. I want to wrap up too. This is my surprise. One of you get to keep this to put in the hallway of your home. So if you would like to, whoever wants to keep this, it's great for the holidays, right? Right in the hallway. Your family will love it, okay? So what we'll do at this time, thank you guys all for your attention.